Howdy everybody. Welcome back to our channel Tech It Simple. We're back with another crypto video for you. And in today's crypto video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how we guys can download the desktop version of Binance. Yes, there is also a text version of Binance. I didn't know that as well. Once I found out I was like, wait, what, they had like a textbook version as well. I knew they had an app version of it, but they had a desktop as well. I only used Binance index route by going to their browser version. But you don't have to go to the browser version anymore. You can download their desktop software on your PC and install it. Or we guys can do that. It's just watch the video until the end. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, everybody. Let's move up. First step, you want to search for Binance app for PC. After resource rebinding its app, just click on Buy an Index tab over here, right? It's going to take you to the official website of Binance. Let's make sure your URL says this because there's a lot of fake websites which look similar to Binance. And if you download a third-party app, and they might take your login info. So just be careful with anything related with crypto because it's pretty easy to get your crypto hacked. No, there's a lot of hacker going around, right? So be careful. So just click on download now. Wait for some time until it downloads. Once it starts downloading over here, wait for some time until it fully downloads, and once the app downloads, just click on it and wait for some time until the installation file opens up. Once it opens up, just click on OK because I want to choose the English language, but if you want to change it, you can, and just click on install, and once the installation process finishes, your Bindings app is ready to go. So that's how we guys can download Buy an IDS app for PC. If you guys found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye everybody. Peace out.